Hi guys, my name is Tiago and I'm a B2B copywriter. Today I just wanted to go over a couple of things that we can make better on your website and ultimately get you a lot more leads, sales, grow your audience, and just really use copywriting as a tool to grow your business. So I really just wanted to show you guys the pros and cons, what's good, what's bad, what needs improvement, and take things with a grain of salt. I'm not saying it's bad or anything. Actually, quite the opposite. Everything seems really good. It's just a matter of optimizing a few key things to really get the most value out of it. So, to start off, looking at the pros, you guys have everything. You guys have all the basics down. You know, you have your blog. You have an opt-in here to, sign them up to your, I don't know if you guys have a newsletter or how you're sending out the emails, but the good thing is you guys have this, because a lot of people, they go on websites and they'll leave, they'll never come back. So the way to nurture relationships with people when they're not on your website, and if they leave and never come back, is to really just get their contact information and build up that relationship over time. So this is really good that you guys are taking this step to have content and have an opt-in form here. Another thing I really liked is it seems pretty clear what you guys do: customer service, content, consulting, training, and products. I'll get to that in a second, but how we could improve this for you. One of the things I really liked, hold on, let me just go here for a second. Is I love how you guys have these logos. It shows that you work with some big brands and big companies, and that builds a lot of social proof and credibility when pitching your services to other people. When people look at that, they think that's really good. Another one, and just one more thing before I get to how we can improve. Okay. This part right here is excellent. This is awesome. You guys show, data, social proof, credibility of what you do, how it impacts people, how it's a problem in their business, and how you guys can solve that problem. Because really that's all it is. It's really just about solving problems and making it clear to people the problem that you solve. I love how you guys have a complimentary call. So you do have some form of action on your website that you ask people to take. And again, a couple of things that we could just improve here overall. And I will get to that in the next video.